Hi Amy, may I ask you a question?
Sure.
What factors should be paid attention to in the early design of thick-sheet vacuum forming?
In the early design stage of thin-sheet vacuum forming, several factors need careful consideration and ensure the quality, precision, and cost-effectiveness of the final product. Here are the critical factors that should be considered during the initial design phase. Material selection. Choose appropriate plastic material considering its heating, forming, and cooling properties. Evaluate the cost and availability of the material. Design complexity. Consider the complexity of the shape and the size of the product, ensuring it's suitable for vacuum forming. Avoid outright intricate and small details that might be challenging to the form accuracy. Mold design. Ensure precise design and manufacturing of the molds. Consider the durability and the maintainability of the molds. Wall thickness. Design for uniform wall thickness to avoid weak point or uneven thickness during forming. The product design should allow material to distribute evenly over the mold. Heating and cooling. Consider uniformity and timing of heating and cooling to avoid deformation or stress in the product. The design should allow for effective temperature control. Trimming and finishing. Take into account the feasibility and the efficiency of post-forming steps like trimming and finishing during the design phase. Product stress. Consider the final use and load on the product to determine the required structural stress and rigidity. Tolerance. Account for the possible tolerance in the manufacturing process and plan design allowances accordingly. Cost consideration. Consider the cost associated with design, materials, manufacturing, and finishing to ensure the project's cost effectiveness. Sustainability. Consider use recyclable or sustainable material. Take into account the product's life cycle and the disposal. By considering these factors in the early design stage, you can more effectively approach thin-sheet vacuum forming, enhancing the quality and the economical viability of the product.